Hey guys, my name is Austin, and today I will be teaching you how to make a step counter in microbit. Today you will need a microbit, a battery pack, and a USB connector. Alright, you first want to go to microbit, and down here you'll see make code. And we want to make a new project, and we can just call this step counter. Then just hit create. We first want to switch the language to Python, and then we want to get rid of all the current code. We're going to type steps equals 0 to make a tracking, and then we'll do input dot on gesture. Let's hit enter. Get rid of the pass, and then hit global steps so it can actually get steps. And do steps plus equals 2. And then we'll just type basic dot show number, and then change that to a steps. And then if we hit play and we hit shake, it will track the amount of steps that you get. Alright, we now want to make the microbit function in like real life. So we'll hit connect device. Make sure the USB is connected into your microbit in the computer. So next, and then hit pair. Go to your device and hit connect. Once that's done, you can just hit down the bottom right and go to download. Now that we have it hooked up, we now want to attach the battery pack. So on the right here, there's the attachment. You want to take the battery pack and put it right into it. So now you have it attached. If the microbit is not working, you can always unplug it from the computer and simply reconnect it. Thanks for watching.